In a world full of noise, distractions, and endless choices, something unexpected is happening. Something powerful, something silent, yet louder than anything around us. People from every background, every country, every belief are doing something no one ever predicted. They're reverting to Islam. But the question is, why? Why now? Why in a time where confusion is everywhere and truth is hard to find? For many, it starts with a single moment, a single question, a single spark they can't ignore. A woman in Europe said she searched every religion because her heart felt empty. She said, "Everything told me to follow my desires, but Islam told me to follow peace." A man in America picked up the Quran just to prove it wrong. But after reading it, he cried. He whispered, "It felt like the book was reading me." Someone in South America heard the Adhan for the first time, and he said it felt like his heart suddenly remembered something it had forgotten. And here's the surprising part. Most of them didn't meet a scholar. They didn't watch hours of lectures. They didn't plan it. It was something deeper, a pull they couldn't explain, a whisper to the soul, a feeling that refused to disappear. Islam gave them what the world couldn't give: purpose, clarity, discipline, and a peace they never felt before. Because in a world where everything changes, Islam stays the same. Its words stay pure. Its message stays unshaken. People revert because they want truth. They want meaning. They want a connection with the one who created them, not a temporary escape. And when they finally say, "La ilaha illallah," they say it feels like the weight of the world falls off their shoulders, like they found home. And the most beautiful part is this: every person who reverts reminds the world of a timeless truth. Islam doesn't change people. It returns them to who they were always meant to be. Because the heart knows its creator, even when the world tries to make it forget.